Hey, it's John at Hilltop Camper and RV, taking a look at the 29 DDB. This is a 2025 Jayco Eagle HT, and this is what you can find, among other fifth wheels, at the open house in Alexandria and Brainerd this weekend. $49,995 is the finance price on this. Got a little outside kitchen. You've got yourself some levelers on this as well, auto level on this. The MoRide 3000 suspension. Coming around the back, a little bit of storage here in the back, which is kind of fun. You've got towing capacity of 3,000 pounds on this. So if you're towing the boat, this is just under 35 feet long, by the way, tip to tail. Got backup camera prep there and the liner because you can go up on that roof. It's the strongest roof in the industry at holding 4,500 pounds. It's a Magnum truss roof on that, kind of like a house roof. Gross weight on this is about 11,000 pounds. Actually, it's just under 11,000 pounds. And there's your hookups there. You've got the on-demand hot water. Slam latches on this, so that makes it really, really nice. There's a look from the front. Let's take a look on the inside. So it's a couple of bunks in here. And it's double bunks, so it's great for the kids. Nice handle here, too. Some of you need that support as you go up those steps. Steps easily fold in. You can do it with one hand. These bunks are good for the kids, but they're also good for adults. If you had friends over, they'd work for them too because they hold up to 600 pounds, so you can get couples in there. These do recline. You got the nice U-shaped dinette that does become a bed if you need it. And then a gorgeous kitchen here as well with a TV. And we are standing on tongue and groove plywood flooring here as well. So again, we talk about the build of a Jayco. It's the reason why they're able to offer the industry's best warranty. There's those bunks that hold up to 600 pounds each. That's why they're able to offer I love this sink too, super cool. Sorry, a lot of things, distracted. Shiny lights, squirrel. That's why they're able to offer the industry's best warranty. It's a 2-year limited warranty. And you really got a great combination with Jayco and Hilltop because not only do you have 2 years of that protection of having that warranty and some peace of mind, but if you do need anything fixed, and when I say if you do, we always say, if you watch my videos before, you will. It's the only thing I ever promise. You'll use the warranty. Their campers are all man-made, so even though this one we think is better made than its competitors, it's still a camper and it's still man-made. So we think that you will use your warranty at some point. If you do, and when you do use your warranty, you've got Hilltop to take care of the work for you. And Jayco has sent Hilltop 49 states worth of business because of the quality of work and the capabilities that we have here. That is a 12-volt fridge, by the way. If you haven't shopped in a while in RVs, really hard to find anything but a 12-volt fridge these days. So good storage here. Even have storage underneath as you lead up to the bunks. Good space to hang out. And the fifth wheel that's under $50,000, $49,995 in the finance price. And we do a very competitive finance rates. So we encourage you to come by Alexandria, Brainerd, this weekend, the big open house. And we do have the Memorial Day sale coming up at Hilltop in Rochester and Fridley.